Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete comments on Threads. So first you have to simply open your Threads account, make sure that you're using the latest version of Threads application. Now open your Threads. First I'm going to show you how to comment here on Threads. So you just have to look for the specific post and then tap on this comment section right here. So let's just say if you wanted to comment here like you want to say something or you want to voice out any idea, all you have to do is tap on the comment section. Now you can comment anything here, but you have to make sure that your profile is on public. So you need to set your profile to public and then you can comment anything here. For example, you want to say indeed, correct, something like that. So you can add again another comment if you want. Now, it's easy to delete the thread here on your threads, or it's easy to delete a comment here on your threads. All you have to do is to just click the three dots beside your comment. So where can you see that one? Once you enter or add the comment, you will see this three dots, and all you have to do is to tap that one. Once you tap that, you will see options including delete. So what you're going to do is tap on delete. You cannot delete it directly. They will ask you first if you want to delete your post. So you can tap on delete again to confirm. And that's it. You need to tap this three dots again and then delete your comment. And yes, that's how easy it is to delete a comment here on Threads. Now you have to take note that you cannot delete other people's comment, just your comment. You will not see that delete section or delete option. So that's how easy it is to delete comments on Threads. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.